Hello students, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing well. Today we study chapter number 7, Struggle for an Education, exercise number 2, 4 and 6. Exercise number 2 which is MCQs, exercise number 4 which is Match the Column and exercise number 6 which is Question Answers. Exercise number 2, point number 1. Dash for discussing about school during work. A. Colored people. B. Minors. C. Broker. D. Lavish. Right option B. Minors. Point number 2. The school was providing dash. A. Proper education. B. Education and skills. C. Physical training. D. Costs. Right option B. Education and skills. Point number 3. Dash type of students were studying in the School of Virginia. A. Poor. B. Wealthy. C. Workers. D. All type of students. Right option D. All types of students. Point number 4. At dash salary did the writer work at the house of General Lewis Ruffners? Option A, $1 per day. Option B, $5 per month. Option C, $50 per month. D, 50 cents per month. Right option B, $5 per month. Point number 5. Dash city was 82 miles away from Hampton. A. Malden. B. Richmond. C. Washington. D. Virginia. Right option B. Richmond. Point number 6. The writer spent first night of travel of Hampton at dash. A. Large city. B. Stepfather's house. C. Sidewalk near the port. D. In the school. Right option C. Sidewalk near the port. Point number 7. Writer dash to get money for breakfast. A. Swept the room. B. Loaded the vessels. C. Made the pillow. D. Worked in industry. Right option B. Loaded the vessel. Point number 8. Dash helped the writer in getting reception. A. Lewis. B. Stepfather. C. Captain. D. Head teacher. Right option D. Head teacher. Point number 9. Dash was the head teacher's impression of writer after cleaning the room. A. Good. B. Bad. C. Lazy. D. Unusual. Right option A. Good. Point number 10. The writer accepted the cleaning of recitation room because he wanted to dash. A. Took it as challenge. B. Impress the head. C. Get admission. D. Get proper food. Right option C. Get admission. Now move towards on exercise number 4 which is match the column. Point number 1 right option D. Point number 2 right option F. Point number 3 right option A. Point number 4 right option B. Point number 5 right option H. Point number 6 right option C. Point number 7 right option E. Point number 8 right option G. Now move towards on exercise number 6 which is question answer. Question number 1. Why was the boy inspired to go Hampton? Answer. The boy was inspired to go Hampton in order to join the school there after overhearing the beautiful description of the school by two miners. Question number 2. What did he learn during work? Answer. During work, he, author, learned the importance of discipline and system. The head teacher taught him honesty and frankness. He also learned the importance of cleanliness. Question number 3. What happened to the money he had earned at Mr. Ruffner's house? Answer. The small amount he had earned from Mr. Ruffner's house had been consumed by his stepfather and the remainder by his family, with the exception of the very few dollars, and so he had very little money with which he buy clothes and pay his traveling expenses. Question number 4. What did he do in Richmond in order to reach to Hampton City? Answer. When he reached Richmond, he was completely out of money. So he started to work of unloading the goods from the port in order to reach Hampton. He used to sleep in the street under the broad sidewalk. Question number 5. Why did the boy thank the captain of the ship? Answer. When he had no work, so he went to the captain to work, and the captain settled him at the work of unloading. When the boy was hungry, he had nothing to buy breakfast to eat, so the captain gave him the delicious breakfast. That's why the boy thanked the captain of the ship. Question number 6. Why did the writer not make a favorable impression on the head teacher? Answer. When the writer presented himself before the head teacher for assignment to a class, he had been so long without proper food, a bath, and change of clothing, so that he could not make a favorable impression on the head teacher. Question number 7. What did he have to go through in order to get admission at the Hampton Institute? Answer. The writer was an African colored man, worked in a coal mine. One day he listened at two pupils talking about Hampton Institute, that it was a great institute for colored pupils. The writer was first time listen about any school. He decided to get admission in the Hampton Institute, but he had no money and did not know that where is Hampton. Writer worked in Mr. Ruffner's house and earned some dollars, but this dollars was consumed by his stepfather. Now he had just some dollars with which he buy clothes and pay his traveling expenses. Then he arrived at Richmond, Virginia, about 82 miles from Hampton. He needs some money to go to Hampton, so he worked in the port. When he earned some money, so he moved towards Hampton. He was looking so dirty, which gave bad impression to the head teacher. So head teacher gave him a task to clean the recitation room. Writer know how to clean because he already do this work. He cleaned the room carefully, and when head teacher come, there was no dust in the room. The head teacher inspired by him and gave admission to the writer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का आंसर एज ए समरी भी लिख सकते हैं. अगर क्वेश्चन में पूछा जाए कि स्ट्रगल फॉर एन एजुकेशन की समरी लिखें, तो आप लोग उसके आंसर में ये वाला आंसर लिख सकते हैं समरी में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. राइट डाउन द सेंट्रल थीम ऑफ द अबव रीड टेक्स्ट इन योर ओन सेंटेंसेस. Answer. The central theme of the above text is, if you are determined enough to reach your goals, then no power can stop you. Hardship and struggle are a part of life. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.